Hello, my dear Saudis. So today we're going to talk a little bit about the ghosting effect, the ghosting problem, most of it, that it's when you want to do the flip effect. And one of the pictures shows when you're actually trying to show just one picture. So here's an example from my Facebook group. If you want to join, it's called Arte Cuadrado. It's everyone around the world, even though it's in Spanish. You can ask questions here on the group, on the Facebook group. In English, somebody will help you out, our team or someone from the Facebook group. This is a ghosting effect, the ghosting problem, sorry, that when you are trying to show only one picture, the other one still shows a little bit. So if you already have, so if you've taken the course and you're already worked out a picture and you're ready to print, before printing, if you already have this the project ready to print, just go here on the Photoshop and click on image. I have it in Spanish here, but I'll try to translate it for you. So it's image, then you go to image size, and here you already know that you have the printer, the resolution of the printer has to be 720 or 600. If you have a 720, just click here 720, or if you have a 600 pixels printer, just click 600, right? And depending on your printer, mine's 720, so I'm going to just select here 720. And then here, when it shows it must be reshow or recalibrate or something here on this bar, just go and select by approximation or by closeness or by nearest, something like this is one before the last line, and define borders. Click here, and that's it, 720, and by approximation, click OK, and that's it. You're all ready to go. You must just go and print a picture. And it should definitely work something better if you are having problems with the ghosting effect. This will help you out a lot to reduce or completely erase the ghosting problems. Okay, majorities, anything else, if you have any questions, just write it down here at the comments. And I'll try and work out a new video for you, or just answer if it's something simple, I'll just answer on the comments below. So, have a nice day, and if you are interested in learning this amazing art, just click on the link, I'll leave it here on the description of the video, to send you to my English course. Thank you.